Home Show.
Todd from Eden, Texas has a question about a quiet floor.
Well, he's loving his very first money pit, Tom. That's what he called it. So what do we know about him? It's his first house, because he'll find out they're all money pits. All right. Todd writes, it was built back in the 1940s and is pier and beam. He says, what type of flooring would you suggest to cut down on noise while walking around the house? For what it's worth, all the flooring will be going on top of 1x4s. I don't think it's the original.
Well, if you look back at the invention of wall-to-wall carpeting, they came up with that because of this exact reason. These old pier and beam homes had a wood floor, had a hard floor. They would put some throw rugs down. It helped a little bit, but the bottom line was somebody came up and said, we can put padding and carpet, and it made it quiet. It made it more comfortable for the people. Then the vacuum cleaner salesman would show up about a week later to sell you I forgot the name of the vacuum, but it was a big metal canister thing. My grandmother had one.
Yeah, I forgot. We had one of those. I'm trying to remember the name of it. Electrolux. It was
not cheap either.
It's an Electrolux vacuum cleaner.
That's what it was. Anyway, that's how it all started. So if you wanted a quiet floor and a soft floor, carpet would be the perfect thing that was developed for that kind of home. Today we have porcelain tile, ceramic tile. We have all kinds of engineered floors. We have plastic laminates. Charlie, you know about the vinyl floor you put in your Mosier Media. Those are not quiet floors,
no.
Especially when they're on a hollow substrate as opposed to, say, a concrete slab,
which is
hold
solid
on a second. All the way through.
No, hold on. The vinyl floor we put down was specifically designed for its acoustic properties. So while it's not quiet, it's quieter than if we had put down a regular laminate or hardwood floor down there.
I agree, but you put it on concrete.
Well,
when you put it on one by fours with all this, give and everything, you're going to get not only noise from the floor, but noise from the structure, noise from, the reverberation. It's like on a second floor. You can hear people walk back and forth, unless even with carpet, you can kind of hear them. So that's what you're literally standing on, which is a good floor. It's a healthy way to live. It's better for your joints. But as far as that goes, you have quiet floors like Charlie you were talking about that are acoustical floors that will absorb noise. You have some of the underlayments now that make some of the floating floors more quiet, but not totally quiet. And then, of course, the old mainstay. But luckily, I can tell you with carpet today, they have stain-proof carpet. Carpet has come a long way, and you can get some pretty funky, cool-looking stuff. I'm telling you. So you might want to look at that, and it might be okay. If not, then it's up to you. Go see Texas Floors, talk to Jason, talk to Ryan, and see what they can come up with for you, because there is so much development in floor covering today. You have a lot of choices.
You don't even have to go see them. You get on the phone and talk to them. They'll give you some they'll get a feel for what you're doing. They'll show up at your door and show you, here are some samples, here's things we can do. And then once they get eyes on the situation, they probably give you even better suggestions. That's what I love about Texas Floors. They come to you, and I said, that's really great. You come. He says, Charlie, we're going to have to go sooner or later to measure.
They have to take the measurement.
Right. We might as well go and take a look. So it's a great service. So you may want to take advantage of that. All right, you want to take advantage of getting more answers? Just go to HomeShowRadio.com, click on the Ask Tom button right there on the homepage. Fill it out, send it in. We'll do a video just like this. Post it at Home Show Radio, Facebook, or our YouTube channel.